Have you ever wondered why some fruits are seasonal and why should we consider eating them in a particular season? Let's see. Our body responds according to the change in seasons and requires different food and nutrients. The seasonal fruits and vegetables have all the vitamins and nutrients that our body needs in that particular season. So, it is wise to eat the fruits and vegetables when it's the season because they all are grown under appropriate weather conditions without using chemicals and so they are healthy. Also, when you buy seasonal fruits, their nutrition value is so why do some fruits grow only in a particular season? This is because different plants and trees require different environmental conditions, the amount of sunlight, humidity and temperature to grow fruits. For example, the mango fruit requires hot temperatures to ripen and so they are available in the summer season. So here are the fruits that are available in main seasons and their importance. Summer season. Mango, grapes, watermelon, banana, muskmelon and cherries are some of the common fruits. They hydrate your body and keep you cool. Monsoon season. Blueberries, cranberries, apples, lychee, plums and jamun are some of the common fruits that grow in monsoons. Winter season. Sweet lime, orange, apples, strawberry, guava, pomegranates, pineapples and papaya are some of the common fruits that provide you with the vitamin C in high quantities. So these were some fruits with the season and their science behind it. Thank you.